Checkout settings. In this lecture, I will show you the checkout settings. Navigate then to the checkout button right over there to the checkout option, and I will click on it and I will wait till it's loaded. Okay, customer accounts. I'm gonna give you the best opportunities, but it's up to you. Accounts are disabled. Customers will only be able to check out as guests, or accounts are optional and customers will be able to check out with a customer account or a guest account. I highly recommend the second one. And the third one is accounts required. Customers will be able to check out if they have any customer account. So that was the first section, and the second section we can select if they check out with a phone number or email. I highly recommend the second one. The customers can only check out using email. It's a lot faster and better. And here you can change the settings if they need to enter their company name or their full name or their address. Address is optional, that's of course, and shipping address and phone number is hidden. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, that was it. So yeah, and your checkout lineage, you can manage it right over here by clicking on manage checkout lineage, and you can change your checkout lineage. So for example, if you have a store in another lineage, you can enter it right over there. So yeah, that was it for this lecture, and I hope I will see you in my next lecture, and yeah, I will see you soon.